I just finished my workout for today. Went really well. I didn't go for too long because it's one of my first days back at the gym, and so I'm trying not to be super sore so then I can't work out for the rest of the week, because that normally happens every single time I go back to the gym. Next I'm probably gonna go pick up Allie, and then we'll go to Hobby Lobby or like Joann's or something. I need to pick up paper for, I'm making little questionnaires for my friend Eliza's bachelorette party. So that should be really cute. I'm also making deviled eggs. I'll show you my deviled egg recipe because I cannot stop making them. They're so good. PSA for any Allie lover. How does she not own this? Just so you know, she doesn't own this.
I don't own it, and it is a perfect gift.
Yep. Also, it comes in pink. It's almost like that's someone's favorite color. Allie's mom. How don't you just get this? Yeah. If you get this, I'll push you. Word. Allie, what did you just say?
Does that mean like your unemployed friend on a Wednesday?
Yeah, I know the one.
I can feel you there where I once had you all alone in the back of my mind. I'm under your spell. I can't
The sexual tension between Allie and this t-shirt. You know though, if you can't plan out 3 outfits, then it's not worth it. But it's like a t-shirt, you could just wear it to bed even.
Yeah, I have so many t-shirts I just wear to bed though.
Well, I tried. Uh oh, we found the Twilight section.
Like I have to.
I don't know how you couldn't. But you have a baseball jersey.
I know.
I've been trying to sell this rocking chair for months. Someone's finally coming to pick it up. It's a nice chair. I just like this one way more. I go to watch some TV, and what do I see? I wonder who did this. So I was talking in my last vlog about how I didn't know what to do with my hair and I couldn't style a wig. Decided I'm saving up for extensions. So all you people watching this, you better like, subscribe, comment. You better tell all your friends about me so I can afford some extensions, because those are really expensive. Okay, thanks. Good morning. I'm manifesting a great day today. I'm wearing my new dress that is already my favorite dress I have probably ever owned ever. Oh, here's Haru. Good morning, Haru. Today I don't have much to do, but I'll still bring you along for whatever I do happen to get done today. I have a psychiatrist appointment. I'm medicated for all of my mental illnesses with the exception of ADHD, which arguably is not the most important, but sometimes it does feel like the most important one that needs to get medicated. So hopefully that's what we're doing today, because all my other medications have been going really well, and we add like one medication at a time. So it's been like a long, I don't even know how many months now. It's probably been like 8 months at this point on this medication journey. It's crazy, man. I don't know if you've ever had to go through this, but it's a lot trying all these different medications. But we finally found a bunch that work, so it's time to finally add ADHD. So we'll see how that goes. And then I'm probably gonna go thrifting afterwards, so we'll see. I have the sweetest, most caring, loving, forgiving, funny hairdresser in the entire world. She's amazing and I love her so much. But I also fear her. Like, I know that when I do something to my hair, like when I spontaneously got like a haircut, and when I wanted to go brown and then back to pink, that she was cursing my name. So I'm about to ask her if she does hair extensions or how it's gonna work if I got them done somewhere else and maintaining this pink in my roots. And I am scared because I know she's gonna be like, why did you cut it? But here I go. Here's the message. Here I go. I'm scared. For breakfast, I'm literally just having yesterday's leftover dinner because it was amazing and I cannot stop thinking about it. Your girl got medicated. Let's go. Very exciting news for me. I got on an ADHD medication. Well, I'm going to get onto one. And then I also, so one thing about me is I have really severe nightmares just from like my PTSD that I have. I have a nightmare almost every single night. And then sometimes they're like, they give me PTSD in and of themselves. They're so horrible. And so there's a prescription, there's a medication for nightmares. So he put me on that as well. So I'll be back in like 6 weeks. But that's okay because we're working on our mental health, yay! Savers! Okay, let's do a little thrift haul here. I just went to Savers. I filmed all the stuff that I didn't get as well. Here's what I did get. I was looking for a big crew neck that was moderately cute. I'll probably just be wearing this around the house. I found this beautiful skirt. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the bows on that. I don't really know where I'm gonna wear this to, but it was only like $5, so I had to do it. And then this was kind of expensive for Savers, but it's this nice like jacket slash blazer. It's really cute. I'm really excited to wear that one, and I tried it on with this dress and it looked really cute. So yeah, I only got those 3 things. There was some other really cute stuff, but I just don't have a lot of money. My lovely hairdresser just got back to me. She said a couple of things. I don't think she's mad. I think she's more like, girl, this is not gonna happen, because she texted me that it'd be impossible to match the pinks and that it would be really hard to blend with short hair, which, I mean, definitely makes sense. It just, she said it wouldn't really look good. which I believe her and I trust her and I know that she's right, but also at the same time, I'm like, okay, it wouldn't look good, but would it look better than this? Because wouldn't like anything look better than this? I don't know. She said to wait till it's shorter length, but that's gonna be months. We'll see. I'm gonna text her back and we'll see what the options are. She just told me to go shopping and that I should stop touching my hair, and you know, she's on to something, I think. Editing Bailey here from my office that is also Ari's office. I don't want to talk about that. The only reason I came on here was to say thank you so much for watching, and until next time.